Yes.
Let's go. So please introduce yourself by talking about 3 things you have been doing recently. What have you been doing?
Yeah, my name is Hồng. I'm 14 years old and I am a student at VQ2 Secondary School. Today I tell you about 3 things that I have been doing recently. First, I have been going picnics with my family. Sometimes if I have time at the weekend, I go picnic with my family or my friends. In here, I can cycling around the lake or have some food. It's so relaxed.
Sure.
Secondly, is I will reading books in my free time. It makes me so relaxed and I can learn about something new when I'm reading books. And finally, I have been going to the cinema. I'm going to the cinema about twice a month. Sometimes I go at the weekend or at my free day. My favorite film that I like to see is science fiction, and my favorite movie is the Dinosaurs World.
Very nice. Cool. Next one is transport problems. It says, talk about 2 problems that you face during rush hour or peak traffic hours, and then talk about how you would solve those problems.
I think 2 problems that I face during rush hours is first is air pollution. The reason to make air pollution, like so many transport go onto the street, that I would wearing mask when I go on street, and I would turn off the motorbike or scooter when I stop at traffic light. Secondly, the problem that I face during rush hour is traffic jams, or in traffic jam has so many. It can make some car crash with some dangerous driver. To solve this problem, I would writing a letter to Governor of Hanoi to explain that I have seen a dangerous driver and to ask them to have a bigger consequence.
Cool, very nice. Next one is stereotypes, or are they? Choose 1 stereotype from a list of male stereotypes and 1 from a list of female stereotypes, and then talk about why or why not you think they are true. The first one is 3 male stereotypes. They are: men are more interested than women in gadgets, like phones and tablets. Men are more interested in sport than women. Or men worry more about their health than women do. Which one do you want to talk about?
I choose men worry more about their health than women.
Okay.
I think this cause is not true, because the men that I know believe that they are strong. They are so strong and stronger than women, and they think that they are also way invincible against health problem.
Sure.
Also in general, the average age lifespan for women in the USA is 81,
Okay.
but the men's is just 76.
Oh, okay, all right. Next one is female stereotypes. First one, women talk more than men do. Second, women worry more about their appearance than men do. Or women are better at multitasking than men.
I choose number 2. Women worry more about their appearance than men.
Okay.
I think it's true because all communication of women I heard is talk about something like clothes or makeup or something about their appearance. Or I can see in the mall there are so many shops, and most of this is the clothes shop or makeup shop for women.
Yeah, sure. Do you know why there are many more clothes shops and many more beauty shops for women than men?
I think because women care more about their appearance.
They care more about it, and that means they spend more money essentially. So yeah, I agree with you again. Very nice. Next one, a success and a failure. Talk about something, a challenge that you have overcome and how you achieve that. Then give a tip or piece of advice for someone who wants to learn or do the same thing that you did. So do you want to talk about one of your successes or one of your failures?
I choose one of my successes.
Okay.
The success I don't forgot is when I have the high score at midterm in grade 5, grade 5th, because in this time I study, so my score in many tests at school is so low, and when I have the high score at midterm exam, I so surprised about this. About 2 weeks before this midterm, I started to study hard. If have some difficult exercise, I go to ask my teacher to teach again me about teach me this exercise again. The tip of me to someone who want to learn that they should have a plan, and if you don't know anything, they must ask someone to know it.
Cool. So were you asking the teacher during class time or before or after class to help you?
Sometimes after.
After class, got it. All right, cool. Next one is giving advice again to someone who is either taking someone out on a date or giving advice to someone staying at someone else's home.
I choose number 2, staying at someone's house.
Okay, what advice do you have?
I think they should take off their shoes before they come in their house, or they can go to their house early about 15 minutes to help the host to prepare the meal or dinner. If they stay at here overnight, they have to tidy the room when they are left. And finally, I think they should writing a thank you letter for the holes after staining.
That's it. That's the end of that. And the end of your test. Pretty good. Well done.
Yeah.
Good job.